Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story and everyday conversations. Today's topic is a day without my phone. Many people use their phones every day. We use them to call friends, send messages, watch videos, play games, and learn new things. But what happens if we spend one whole day without a phone? Today, you will learn how to talk about daily life, technology, hobbies, and family time using simple and natural English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Technology vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Phone. Repeat. Phone. Message. Repeat. Message. Call. Repeat. Call. Screen. Repeat. Screen. Book. Repeat. Book. Walk. Repeat. Walk. Family. Repeat. Family. Garden. Repeat. Garden. Relax. Repeat. Relax. Enjoy. Repeat. Enjoy. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I use my phone every day. Repeat. I use my phone every day. I like reading books. Repeat. I like reading books. I enjoy walking in the park. Repeat. I enjoy walking in the park. Very good. Morning conversation. Mother. Good morning, Sophia. Why aren't you using your phone today? Sophia. Good morning, Mom. Today I want to spend one whole day without my phone. Mother. That's a great idea. Sophia. I want to enjoy the day differently. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I am not using my phone today. Pause. I am not using my phone today. I want to enjoy nature. Pause. I want to enjoy nature. I like spending time with my family. Pause. I like spending time with my family. Reading books is relaxing. Pause. Reading books is relaxing. Very good. At breakfast. Father. How does it feel without your phone? Sophia. It feels different, but I like it. Father. What will you do today? Sophia. I will read a book, help at home, and go for a walk. Father. That sounds like a wonderful plan. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emma usually checks her phone many times a day. One Saturday, she decided to spend the whole day without using it. Instead of watching videos, she read a storybook. She helped her mother prepare lunch. In the afternoon, she went to the park with her younger brother. They played games, talked, and laughed together. In the evening, Emma wrote in her journal and spent time with her family. Before going to bed, she realized that she had enjoyed a peaceful and happy day without her phone. Now answer these questions. What did Emma decide to do? She decided to spend one day without her phone. What did she read? She read a storybook. Who did she help? She helped her mother. Where did she go in the afternoon? She went to the park. How did she feel at the end of the day? She felt peaceful and happy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I don't need my phone right now. Let's go for a walk. I enjoy reading books. Family time is important. Today was a peaceful day. Very good. English learning tip. To talk about your daily plans, you can use I will. For example, I will read a book. I will help my parents. I will go for a walk. These sentences are easy to use in everyday English. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy simple activities. I like spending time with my family. Reading is a good habit. Nature makes me feel relaxed. Learning English every day is fun. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful technology vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about spending a day without your phone in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to spend time with friends, enjoy outdoor activities, discover new hobbies, and practice more real-life English conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful technology vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about spending one day without a phone. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to enjoy outdoor activities, spend time with friends, discover new hobbies, and have meaningful conversations without using a phone. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Enjoying outdoor activities. When we spend less time on our phones, we have more time for other activities. Listen carefully. I like walking in the park. Repeat. I like walking in the park. I enjoy riding my bicycle. Repeat. I enjoy riding my bicycle. I love watching birds. Repeat. I love watching birds. Fresh air makes me feel happy. Repeat. Fresh air makes me feel happy. Excellent. Conversation in the park. Emma. What a beautiful day. Sophia. Yes, the weather is perfect. Emma. Did you bring your phone? Sophia. No. Today I'm enjoying a day without it. Emma. That's interesting. What would you like to do? Sophia. Let's walk around the park and enjoy nature. Emma. Great idea. Wonderful. Trying a new hobby. Mother. What are you doing this afternoon? Sophia. I'm painting a picture. Mother. That's wonderful. Do you enjoy painting? Sophia. Yes. It's relaxing and creative. Mother. I'm happy you found a new hobby. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy painting. Pause. I enjoy painting. Let's take a walk. Pause. Let's take a walk. The weather is beautiful today. Pause. The weather is beautiful today. I feel calm and relaxed. Pause. I feel calm and relaxed. Very good. Visiting the library. Librarian. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Ryan. Yes, please. I'm looking for an easy English storybook. Librarian. These books are perfect for beginners. Ryan. Thank you very much. Librarian. You're welcome. Enjoy your reading. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. On Sunday morning, Daniel decided not to use his phone. He invited his friend Alex to ride their bicycles in the park. After riding for an hour, they sat under a large tree and talked about school, sports, and their future dreams. Later, they visited the library and borrowed 2 interesting books. In the evening, Daniel helped his father water the plants in the garden. After dinner, the family played a board game together. Daniel smiled and said that he had not missed his phone at all because he had enjoyed so many wonderful moments with the people around him. Now answer these questions. What did Daniel decide? He decided not to use his phone. Who did he invite? He invited his friend Alex. Where did they go after the park? They went to the library. What did Daniel do in the garden? He helped his father water the plants. Why did Daniel not miss his phone? Because he enjoyed spending time with people and doing fun activities. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. Let's spend time together. I enjoy being outdoors. Reading is my favorite hobby. I feel happy without my phone. Today was a wonderful day. Very good. English learning tip. Talk about hobbies using I enjoy or I like. For example, I enjoy reading. I like painting. I enjoy cycling. I like gardening. These simple patterns help you speak naturally about your interests. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy simple moments. My hobbies make me happy. Fresh air helps me relax. I love spending time with my family and friends. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to enjoy outdoor activities, discover new hobbies, visit the library, and spend quality time with friends and family in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, learn how to reflect on our day, talk about healthy habits, and improve your English through more real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to enjoy outdoor activities, discover new hobbies, and spend quality time with family and friends. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about healthy habits, reflect on your day, share your feelings, and enjoy simple moments without using your phone. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Talking about healthy habits. Healthy habits help us feel happy and strong. Listen to this conversation. Emma, how was your day without your phone? Sophia, it was wonderful. I spent more time reading and walking. Emma, did you miss your phone? Sophia, not very much. I was busy enjoying the day. Excellent. Now repeat. I enjoyed reading today. Pause. I enjoyed reading today. I went for a long walk. Pause. I went for a long walk. I felt calm and happy. Pause. I felt calm and happy. Very good. Spending time with family. Father, would you like to play a board game tonight? Sophia, yes, I'd love to. Father, that's great. We can all play together. Mother, I'll make some popcorn. Sophia, this will be fun. Wonderful. Reflecting on the day. Brother, what was your favorite part of today? Sophia, I really enjoyed reading my book in the garden. Brother, did you learn anything new? Sophia, yes. I learned some new English words and finished 3 chapters. Brother, that's amazing. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Last weekend, Olivia challenged herself to spend 1 full day without her phone. In the morning, she helped her parents clean the house. After that, she baked cookies with her grandmother. In the afternoon, she visited her neighbor and played badminton with her friends. Later, she sat on the balcony with a cup of tea and read an interesting novel. As the sun began to set, Olivia watched the beautiful sky turn orange and pink. She realized that she had noticed many small things that she usually missed while looking at her phone. Before going to sleep, she wrote in her journal. She wrote that one day without a phone helped her feel relaxed, grateful, and happy. Now answer these questions. What did Olivia do in the morning? She helped her parents clean the house. Who did she bake cookies with? She baked cookies with her grandmother. What sport did she play? She played badminton. Where did she read her novel? She read it on the balcony. How did she feel before going to bed? She felt relaxed, grateful, and happy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoyed every moment today. Spending time with family is special. Reading helps me relax. Nature is beautiful. Healthy habits make me happy. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your day, use the past tense. For example, I visited my grandmother. I played badminton. I read a book. I helped my parents. These simple sentences help you describe past activities clearly. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoyed my day without my phone. I spent time with my family. I learned something new. Simple moments are valuable. Practice English every day. Fantastic work. Today you practice talking about healthy habits, family time, hobbies, and reflecting on your day in English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about spending a full day without a phone, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you talk confidently about your own daily experiences in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English by talking about technology, family time, hobbies, and healthy habits. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My peaceful day without my phone. Hello. My name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about a very special day. Last Sunday, I decided to spend the whole day without my phone. At first, I felt a little nervous because I usually check my phone many times every day. I use it for messages, videos, music, and games. However, I wanted to see how I would feel without it. I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Instead of looking at my phone, I opened the window and listened to the birds singing outside. The morning air felt fresh and cool. I smiled and felt calm. After breakfast, I helped my mother in the kitchen. We prepared pancakes together. We talked and laughed while cooking. I noticed that I was paying more attention to our conversation because my phone was not beside me. Later, I went to the garden with my father. We watered the plants and cleaned the flower beds. My father taught me the names of several flowers. I learned new English words such as rose, lily, and sunflower. In the afternoon, I visited the library. I borrowed an easy English storybook and sat near the window to read. The library was quiet, and I enjoyed reading without any distractions. I finished 2 chapters and learned many new words. After returning home, I went for a walk with my younger brother. We walked in the park, watched children play, and enjoyed the beautiful trees and flowers. We talked about our favorite subjects at school and our dreams for the future. In the evening, my whole family sat together in the living room. We played a board game, told funny stories, and drank tea together. Everyone laughed a lot. It was one of the happiest evenings I could remember. Before going to bed, I wrote in my journal. I wrote that one day without my phone had given me more time for reading, learning, walking, talking, and enjoying my family. I also wrote that I felt more relaxed and peaceful than usual. That day taught me an important lesson. Phones are useful, but we should also enjoy the world around us. Simple activities such as reading a book, talking with family, or walking in nature can make us very happy. Now I try to spend less time on my phone and more time doing meaningful activities. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Why did Sophia decide not to use her phone? She wanted to see how she would feel without it. What did she do after breakfast? She helped her mother make pancakes. What did she learn in the garden? She learned the names of flowers. Where did she read her English storybook? She read it in the library. What did Sophia learn from the experience? She learned that simple activities and family time can bring happiness and peace. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I spent the day without my phone. I enjoyed reading a book. I spent time with my family. Nature makes me feel peaceful. Simple activities can make me happy. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. How often do you use your phone? What activities do you enjoy without your phone? Do you like reading books? What do you do with your family in the evening? Would you like to spend one day without your phone? Why? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. Use English to talk about your feelings. For example, I felt happy. I felt relaxed. I felt peaceful. I felt grateful. These expressions help you describe emotions clearly and naturally. Practice them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about a day without a phone. Describe daily activities and healthy habits. Talk about reading, walking, and family time. Express feelings such as happy, relaxed, and peaceful. Use English to describe real-life experiences. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to enjoy simple moments in life. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.